Welcome to Fresh Fishing and welcome to our new series PB Busters, which we're very excited about. So without further ado, let's get into this.
We decided it would be wise for us to start with a quick day session to allow us to find our bearings before hitting the bank hard for a 48-hour session.
Yeah, so we packed our new gear into the cars and got ourselves down to Tees Valley on a windy but warm day.
Being new members at Tees Valley, the rules state that you need to fish Eagle Lake a minimum of 10 times before being allowed on Alpha Lake. Alpha Lake is where the big 30+ pounders reside.
That's right, so our first campaign will be held on Eagle, where there was recently a new lake record of 28 pounds and 8 ounces, and the fish has been aptly named Boris. Well done to Tees Valley member Ben Firth. Eagle was constructed in around 2015 and it's about 2 acres in size. It holds around 125 mirror and common carp ranging between £10 up to the new lake record of 28 pounds 8 ounces. We really just couldn't wait to get started now.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys the rig that I'm going to be using. So on my left hand rod, I've gone for a Ronnie rig. The reason it's a Ronnie rig is because it's basically on the swivel there and can move in kind of all directions that's taken by the fish. Got a little bit of shrink tubing on there just so it kicks away from the lead a little bit, and as you can see I'm using the lead system. And on my right hand rod I've just gone for a normal hair rig, as you can see, both using size 6 barbless curved shank hook, again on the leg clip system.
So here we go, on my Vader X rod, going with a banana and pineapple boilie setup on the hair rig. They use DNA baits here, but I'm just going to try this on one, see how we get on. So that's rig number 1, and that's also going to be topped off with a little PVA bag full of goodness. This is my second rig, so it's just the same as the other one with big lead coming down there.
What weight is that lead?
It's a Ronnie rig. Lead is 3 ounce. I didn't know how far it was to cast, so I thought I'd just go with that.
Foot mark apparently.
So I'm just going to go straight out. Look at this service.
There you go, mate.
Oh,
nice hot copper.
Just on there, please, mate.
There you go, fella.
What a boy. What
Cheers.
a boy. This is the little spot today. Wazzy boy is 2 meters away.
Loving it.
Social distancing. The rods are out. He's got his receiver. If he gets into one, he can run over. He's only over there, so it's not too far. My receiver's there. We just
so I can sprint off.
We just pooed ourselves because my bobbin started going up, but it was just a duck again.
I much prefer this type of fishing.
Do you?
We can interact more.
Yeah.
Just let the fish and the rods do their thing.
Yeah.
Because the tactics is what it's all about. We haven't really got to watch the tips. We haven't got to watch anything. Just be reactive.
No, we'll see if you're saying that by the weekend and we've blanked for 3 sessions. Like a glove. He's in one. He's bloody into a fish on the first session. I'm just gonna get my receiver. Get in, Wayne. Where was that one?
Where he told me to put it.
Just straight in the middle.
Oh.
Are you buzzing? How?
I don't know whether it's because my gear is heavier.
Does it not feel that big?
It's hard to explain because your gear's a lot heavier.
One fish is better than no fish, mate.
I just don't want to force it.
Yeah, definitely not. That's alright. 14, 15. New PB. I'm a wetting you.
Get it. I'm absolutely chuffed to bits.
Haven't weighed it yet, but it's probably
First catch of the new lake. Can't believe it. 18 and a half with the sling.
18 and a half with the sling.
So 15, Wayne.
Yeah,
New PB.
15. New PB.
Notched up one more. What was it? 14 before. It's now a 15 pound common.
15 pound common.
I need to chuck a load of water over you though, now.
Nah, not today. I'm chuffed to bits with that.
Buzzing for you.
Just laid in my bed, literally just messaging someone who was asking me if he caught anything yet. I said no. A minute later, screams off. Yes. So Foxy, how's your food?
Compliments to the chef. Time for the rods to come out. End of session. End of first day at Tees Valley Fisheries. Thoughts?
What a day. What a day. Yeah, do you know what? I mean, even if we didn't catch today,
Yeah.
such a beautiful day. It's just so nice to fish and actually like relax.
Just
it's
chill.
Like proper relaxing, isn't it?
Chill, yeah.
Like, you know, when we're doing feeder sessions,
Yeah.
we're like, oh, we'll go fishing, we catch some fish, we relax doing it. Doing this, you actually think to yourself, well, you're not actually relaxing at feeder fishing because
Yeah, because you're constantly
you
busy
are
doing something.
constantly doing
Yeah,
something.
I mean, Wayne obviously caught, I didn't today, but broke his PB. So when we come next time, he's going to get wet. I'm telling you that now.
Yeah, I probably should. I deserve to.
He deserves to. No, I didn't catch obviously today, but I still thoroughly enjoyed the day. It just makes me want to come back for more, if I'm honest. It makes you just want to try again. That's all that
Well,
can
I'm
be said.
buzzing to just get back for the 48-hour session. That we've
Yeah,
got.
so it's Tuesday now, we're coming back on Saturday and we're going to do a 48 hour, so cannot wait for that. So after a few days back at work, we got the cars packed and we headed back over to Tees Valley.
forecast of 40-mile-per-hour winds, this was looking like a tough first day and night ahead.
This is gonna be a nightmare.
Right, so we're in the bivvy. Managed to get up in that wind. It was absolutely ridiculous. Got the rods all set up. Unfortunately, I can't say the same for Foxy. He's got his rods out, but he had an absolute nightmare with his bivvy. Let's go see our boy. Foxy, mate, how you doing? You okay?
No.
What's the matter?
The wind in it.
So what are you going to do? What's your plan?
I'm gonna go see Wally, sort me out.
Go and buy a new one?
Yeah, I can.
You're going to have to, aren't you?
Well, the start to my fishing weekend has not gone as planned. First night on the bank, get out, try and put the bivvy up, and all the wire comes out from inside the brolly. Just pulls out completely because of the wind. So TF brolly system, they just can't do wind basically. So I'm currently meeting Wally, who owns a tackle shop in Darlow. So if you need any tackle, make sure you get down to Wally. He saved the day for me. He's going to sort me out a new Sabre bivvy, the same one as what Wayne got, and he's going to do us it for 100 quid. So lovely job. Cheers, Wally. So I've just been away trying to get a new bivvy sorted. Wonder Boy is caught, hasn't he?
Can't believe it.
He's just had one.
Get in. Another one bites the dust.
14.5 after we weighed the sling.
14.5 after we weighed
So
the
it's
sling.
decent. Good to see fish
listen,
coming out.
Yeah, I'll take it all day long. So your boy Foxy got himself a Sabre super light one-man bivvy. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Little copycat.
Wonder Boy does it again.
Ignore the flip-flops.
We've just finished our dinner. What's on that one?
It's an S7
A boilie.
bottom baby.
What rig?
Yeah.
What rig? Hair rig?
That big. It's given me the best fight out of the last two I've had. I'm up.
Scrapping, innit, Wayne?
It's given me a good fight.
Ah, it just looks like it's ready and then it stops. Yes.
So 19, just under 19 and a half, isn't it?
Yeah, so that's just under 19.5
So
with
19,
the sling, so we just need to weigh the sling.
So another one, second of the day in the 48-hour session. Looks like it's going to be the new PB, but yeah, chuffed to bits. Another one.
There you go, I've got it. You're on.
Am I on?
You're on.
How's my barnet looking? Into the second one of the 48-hour session. It was just under 19 and a half, literally by one margin.
So that's obviously but with the sling.
So we took the sling off, which was £3. So we're going to say 16. We're going to call it 16.
16.4 we've said.
16.2, 16.3, but we'll call it 16. Another PB.
So that's
smashing them out the park.
That's your new PB overall and PB common busted.
Yeah.
So well done. So I'm already tucked up in bed. First night on the bank. Hoping I can catch. Wayne's already had 2 today. So I've got some catching up to do. Just opened one of my alarm screens off in the middle of the night and I've got to run out and pat myself. Fingers crossed. Good night, God bless. Nothing to report. A couple of liners in the night that made me poo my pants. But not happening at the minute for me. I don't think Wayne got anything during the night either, so not a very productive night. Get up and make some brekkie soon.
Cheers, Chef Foxy.
Let's see what the verdict is.
Oh,
amazing. Best bacon and sausage sandwich you've ever had. Is it hot?
hot.
Is it? It'll be the oil, won't it?
You've made me a sausage and bacon bun outside.
Outside. We ain't got a kitchen. This is our kitchen. Cheers for the cuppa. Right, so Wayne's broke his PB like 3 times and he hasn't been wet once. So I'm gonna go trick him and we're gonna get him. Ready for this? Hey Wayne! Come over here, have you seen this? There's a fish that's just jumped out. Fish has just been jumping out there, big carp. Just over there. I had to get you.
So what? I should have known. I myself, why has he got the camera?
It's on your shorts as well.
It's not that bad, to be fair.
Yeah,
you could have got me a lot
I should have went with something bigger, shouldn't I?
You know what though? I probably would have been absolutely cold if you could have said, right, now's your time.
Just had to shock you, mate. We thought, as part of our PB Busters channel, we needed a little feature inside every session. Every 24-hour session we do, we're going to do a little feature, and it's called Beer of the Session. So,
solid name that.
It is a great name. But what we're going to do is every time we come, one of us, it's one of our jobs to bring the beers. It was my turn this time. I have gone for the original Budweiser Budvar, which is from the Czech Republic, and it is a lager. And what we will be doing is we will be rating them out of 10.
Because we've got a lot of expertise on beer and stuff.
Yeah, I love lager. I'm from Yorkshire. I love
Is this a
drinking
beer or a lager?
It's a lager.
Okay.
I don't really drink like proper beers, you know, like men's beers. I drink dead beers. That's what they call lager.
Me personally, I don't even really drink beer that much.
He drinks cocktails because he's a little savage woman.
Well, to be honest with you, I prefer spirits. My go-to is Jack Daniels.
Cocktails.
Gay!
Gay! No, so yeah, what we're going to do, you can see we're trying like socially distancing here.
Yeah, it's awkward, it's horrible.
So there's a big gap in the middle. But what we're going to do is we're going to open these, we're going to take a swig, and we're both going to give it a mark out of 10. Obviously, get involved in the comments if you've got a beer that you want us to try and we can get it in England, then we'll do it and we'll try it on the next one. So let's crack them open.
Ready?
Oh, that's nice.
I tell you what, pardon me, the best part about this is the fact that it's been sat in my cold box.
Yeah, we've had it in a cold box for 24 hours now.
That is amazing. It's so cold.
It even says on it, you can't rush perfection. We didn't rush it. We put these in the cold box for over 24 hours. And now we're reaping the rewards, aren't we? So what would you give that?
Well, with my expertise knowledge about lager and beer and stuff.
Yeah, expert.
And how much I know about the Czech Republic.
Yeah.
Messy.
I would give that a 7 for me. because a 7's like good. 8's very
Can
good.
we throw
9's...
like? Can we throw like point?
Oh no, because then it's just out of 20. Just do it out of 10.
I'm gonna give it a 6.
A 6. A modest 6.
You're upset with that, aren't you?
I am. I think it's a 7. 7.
6.
Cheers. That, ladies and gents, is beer of the session. So get involved in the comments. Tell us what beer you'd like us to try next and rate next.
And that is a beer review.
And that is our beer review.
So Foxy had the ingredients to cook us a biryani this evening, but he's chosen not to. He's gone for pizza. Bless him. He's paid for me.
I paid for it.
Yeah. But the topic of debate is pineapple on pizza.
Yes.
No.
All about that pineapple.
Pineapple on pizza isn't it?
Done it again. What one was that? Your middle one? Do you need anything moving?
Doesn't feel big, man. Haven't seen it yet. It just comes swimming towards me.
I mean, what a little stunning picture that is. Playing a fish in the sunset. If you push your PB again, drenching you in your bivvy tonight.
Through hate as well as love.
Yep. Not even love anymore, just hate. Pure hate.
Love for the channel.
Nah, I hate the channel, I'm quitting. I quit the channel. You're on your own. Watching that. You got there in the end.
Oh. Well, I know Foxy's been waiting a while, but I've now waited a little while myself after yesterday, so I'm absolutely over the moon to get my third one of the session. 4th on Tees Valley. £9.5. Thank you very much, sir.
Hate you.
Hey, morning everyone. Nice and early, 6:30 in the morning. Nothing overnight, apart from a false alarm, which actually got me out of my bivvy. I don't think Foxy had any joy overnight, but we'll go and have a chat with him. Morning, sunshine. How we doing?
Yeah. Fantastic. No bites.
No?
No.
No, it was pretty the same for me. I had a false alarm that threw me out of my bed.
Yeah.
And then as soon as I got out of the bivvy, the alarm stopped.
Nah, my swim was just dead, I think.
It's not happening, is it?
Certainly not in this one. And it's not for lack of trying.
Yeah, I know.
Casted out loads, put bait out.
That's bloody heartbreaking. Saw a fish jumping out, so I thought, you know what? I'm going to act on that. I'm going to put my right hand rod straight over it. Started making up some brekkie outside Foxy's. Anyway, the rod's gone, screamed off. That same rod, probably about, I don't know, hour and 15, hour and a half after putting it there. Screaming off. Foxy was closest to it, so Foxy's gone running over to it. Just before he's got to it, it seemed to just, I don't know, the reel seemed to malfunction or something, because it stopped running. The runner stopped running. My magnetic butt rest that I've got actually flew off, which is at that point when the line snapped. So I'm absolutely devastated.
Last couple of hours to save a blank. Come on, carp gods, don't let me down. Please. Just one little fishy. Move
Would you
lines.
Adam and Eve it?
Do I need to move them lines? Because it's going up.
Just keep your rod low.
Yeah, see, it's on that line. Pick that one up. Is it in the weeds?
I think I'm not sure.
Lines are all tangled up. You know why, mate?
I think my hook's in your back.
That's why. Look, mate, it's in the.
No, but one's in the. What's in it?
Mate, look, it's in it. Foul hooked.
What's in it?
Foul hooked, mate.
It's a tank.
Thought the blank was over, but
Foul hooked. Should we still weigh it?
nah.
No, I'm gonna say it's about 14 anyway, 13.
Yeah. Well, at least that was a bit of action.
Yeah.
The most I've seen.
Ah. Got the heart rate going a little bit, didn't it, mate?
Yeah, it did.
Foxy, how'd you get on?
Had a stinker, mate.
Oh, mate, I'm absolutely knackered.
That's the 48 hours.
48 hours done.
Over.
I'm not even gonna lie. I'm chuffed to bits, and I'm sorry it's such a contrast, and Foxy has to deal with my celebrations because he's probably dying right now. But love a bit of Tees Valley specimen legs. Had one snap off. I think I had a bit of a malfunction with my reel. Cheap reel for a start up. So straight away I'm investing in 2 new reels to stop that from happening again. Not going to grumble because, like I say, it could have been a lot worse, couldn't it, Foxy?
Yeah, you could be on the tail end of a 48 hour having blanked, or even for me it's 58, isn't it? Because we did the session on Tuesday,
yeah.
I've done like 3 sessions, I guess, and I've not had anything out. It just shows like the contrast. Like we're using the same baits, similar rigs.
The
only
difference
difference
was the
coated braid colour. So you wouldn't think that would make a massive difference, really. So it's just the swim today the swim for the last 2 days. And that's our first couple of specimen sessions done. We're coming back here in a couple of weeks' time for another 2 24-hour sessions.
Yeah.
So hopefully I can break the duct.
Mate, what's been great? All right, you haven't caught, but like, think how much knowledge you've picked up from this time we've been in it. We've been picking brains of
Oh
anglers.
yeah,
We've
100%.
been picking the brains of the owners, the bailiffs.
Yeah, one of my pals said to me, like, even if when you don't catch, just make sure you try and take something away from each session. And 100% I've taken a lot of information away from this. So the next time I come here, I'm going to be better informed and I can get my rods in better spots. And yeah,
I mean, in contrast, happy days for me, not so much for Foxy lad. But that's the way fishing goes. Obviously, what about the chap we was talking to at the end there? His first 4 sessions here were all 48 hours.
Yeah, and he blanked all 4 times. So hopefully on the next one I can get one and I'll be happy as
maybe
anything.
I've just made it look easier than it actually is, and Lady Luck was just on my side.
Sometimes I think you need it, don't you? So well done to Wayne for breaking his PB a few times and ending the episode with his PB standing at 16 pounds and 4 ounces.
And tough luck to Foxy having blanked for 3 sessions. Tune in to the next PB Busters episode to see if he can end the blank.
Hope you enjoyed the new content. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you don't already, and share the video if you really enjoyed it.
Thanks for watching.